I'm at CES, and you're never going to guess what this is. It's not a rooftop car carrier. It's not a gigantic computer mouse. What it is an autonomous solar panel cleaning robot.
This is NEOIA, and it's basically a Roomba for massive solar installations. Normally on this channel, we're talking about DIY setups, but I saw this in France's section of CES and had to share it. It's designed for industrial arrays. Think 400 panels on a large commercial roof. What's really unique is that it doesn't use a drop of water. Instead, it's programmed to run in the morning to take advantage of natural dew to scrub away dirt. As I mentioned earlier, it's fully autonomous. It lives in a docking station where it recharges and can travel across the brackets connecting panels. And it can keep track of where it has cleaned. Plus, it uses a wireless connection to send a report once it's done with its daily visit. Finally, they told me that it is able to keep track of the weather and only clean when there is enough dew condensed on the array. For most of us with 5, 10, or 20 panels, this is overkill. But for a business with a large, continuous setup of panels, keeping them clean at night means higher solar production without someone having to go up on the roof every time. I'm glad I stumbled on this unique product at CES. It's definitely not for small arrays yet, but it's a cool look at where solar maintenance is going. Drop a note in the comments and let us know what you think about this idea. As always, thanks for watching.